Hello everyone. Welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best Arc Captain MIG welding machine. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful 6-in-1 MIG welder. This machine is a multi-process marvel, offering gas/solid wire MIG, GMAW, gasless flux core MIG, stick, MMA, spot welding, lift TIG, and an optional spool gun connector. It supports various wire types. 23/.30/.35 solid wire. 23/.30/.35 flux core wire. 35/.45 aluminum wire. This makes it suitable for diverse materials and welding tasks, from automotive repairs to home DIY projects. Synergic MIG mode. The Arc Captain MIG welder features digital controls that automatically recommend the best current and wire feeding speed based on the selected wire diameter and gas type. It's beginner-friendly yet adaptable for professional welders, allowing manual adjustments to suit personal preferences. Dual voltage capability. This welding machine offers flexible power input, making it compatible with standard household outlets and higher-powered industrial settings. The adaptive crater, burn-back adjustment, and pre-flow/post-flow functions enhance efficiency and precision. 2T/4T welding modes. With two welding options, users can toggle between 2T mode for short tasks requiring manual control, 4T mode for extended welding jobs, reducing hand fatigue. It also includes a parameter group storage function, enabling users to save up to 10 groups of settings per mode, streamlining workflows for future projects. Stick welder enhancements. The stick mode of the Arc Captain MIG welder includes key enhancements for improved performance. Arc Force ensures a stable arc during welding, while Hot Start provides quick arc initiation for smoother starts. The anti-stick feature prevents electrodes from sticking, reducing spatter and enhancing overall reliability, making the welding process more efficient and clean. LED display. A digital LED screen displays real-time data, making it easy to monitor and adjust parameters for precise results. Pros. Versatility. The 6-in-1 functionality covers nearly all welding needs. Beginner-friendly, Synergic MIG mode simplifies operation for those new to welding. Professional-grade performance. Features like burn-back adjustment and parameter storage cater to skilled users. Dual voltage, compatibility with 110V and 220V ensures flexibility across various environments. Customizability, adjustable welding current and wire feed speed offer tailored control. Convenience, parameter storage and the 2T/4T mode save time and effort. Durability, sturdy build quality ensures long-term performance, even in demanding conditions. Cons. Size and weight. While powerful, the machine may be bulkier than standard home-use welders. Learning curve. Despite its beginner-friendly features, mastering all functions might take time for new users. Additional accessories required. The spool gun is optional and must be purchased separately for aluminum welding. Final thoughts. The Arc Captain MIG welding machine is an exceptional tool for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Its blend of versatility, power, and user-centric features makes it a top choice for various welding tasks. While it has a few drawbacks, such as its size and potential cost, these are outweighed by its robust performance and adaptability. Whether you're working on intricate repairs or heavy-duty welding projects, this machine is built to deliver reliable and precise results. If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient welding machine, the Arc Captain MIG is well worth considering. Check out the price link in the description to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more in-depth reviews.